In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve payment issues in Google Ads efficiently and effectively. This process can seem daunting at first, but with a few straightforward steps and a bit of patience, you'll have your payment issues sorted out in no time. First, you need to sign in to your Google Ads account. Start by navigating to the Google Ads homepage and entering your login credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you're ready to tackle the next step, which involves handling your billing information, a crucial aspect of resolving any payment hiccups. Next, move your mouse to hover over the billing option in the menu and then click on Summary. This is where you'll find all the necessary financial details associated with your account. It's a good place to start when identifying potential payment issues that need your attention. Once you're on the summary page, keep an eye out for any alerts or messages that might indicate failed payments. These messages are designed to catch your attention, so look carefully for anything that seems amiss. If you notice a fix or retry payment option, click on it. This could provide a quick resolution if the issue is straightforward. Now let's double check the payment method. From the billing section, go to Payment Methods. This will bring up all the cards and payment methods linked to your account. Sometimes a simple issue, like an expired card, can cause payments to fail. If necessary, update your card details or add a new payment method. This is an essential step in resolving payment problems. Make sure that the card details are up to date and that the card has sufficient funds to cover the transaction. It's also wise to ensure that there are sufficient funds available or to contact your bank to remove any blocks on transactions. This can prevent any further hindrances from impacting your account. When you've made changes, save these updates, and if the payment doesn't retry automatically, ensure that you manually prompt the payment again. After you've taken these steps, give it a few minutes for the system to process the changes. Refresh the billing page to confirm that the issue has been resolved. At this point, many users find that their problem is fixed. However, if the issue persists despite your best efforts, it's time to reach out for some expert help. Don't hesitate to contact Google Ads support directly. They offer assistance via chat or email and can provide guidance tailored to your specific situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment issues in your Google Ads account swiftly. Remember, patience and thoroughness are key, so take your time with each of these steps to ensure a seamless resolution.